looking for seals there. That is looking for seals. They got dinner. They just got dinner.
No, I think you'd see more splashing if they had. There's the big male in front and the male right at the back. There's 3 males, isn't there?
Yeah. There's something cool about looking down on them like this too, isn't there? Watch you don't fall off the cliff. Watch my camera doesn't fall off the cliff. Sorry.
No, you're not in the shot.
What?
You're not in shot. Whoa! I think he had something then, didn't he?
What?
I think he had something then.
Did he?
Yeah, there's something I see go flying.